Monday, June 29th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. An extremely pleasant air mass is in place across the region. A couple of web cameras from across the great state of North Carolina here early on our Monday morning. That's the Avalon Pier web camera on the left, Beach Mountain Parkway cam, courtesy of resortcams.com on the right. And look at the temperature there, Beach Mountain, 52. Still in the upper 60s at Kill Devil Hills. But altogether, most of the region in a much more pleasant, significantly lower humidity type of air mass that really took hold by yesterday. Look at these temperatures in the mountains. It's in the 40s in Rainbow Springs, 48 there, 49 degrees in Cherokee, sitting at 48 at the Davidson River site too. 49 in Busick, West Jefferson at 49. Really nice stuff. These were the high temperatures yesterday. That was a nice reprieve from the extreme heat and humidity we've dealt with for quite some time. A nice Sunday forecast following a very humid and active Saturday. Now these are the highs across the Triad viewing area yesterday, and again, it was low humidity. That's what made it feel so nice out there. The Charlotte viewing area, very similar, a lot of mid-80s on the board, and I think a very similar day today for much of the region. Now, this was the radar presentation through Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening. It was a convectively active day out ahead of an incoming cold front. Some waves of showers and storms moved through. They were over in the Charlotte area by very early in the evening, 6, 7 o'clock, and still had by 8 o'clock some storms around Raleigh and I-95, but they came to an end pretty soon thereafter there. And then that was it. That once the front passed through, we had a much drier air mass take hold. We enjoyed that yesterday. Here's the current radar presentation as I'm cutting this video. Nothing for most of the Carolinas. You do have some showers and storms offshore, a couple of them occasionally grazing the Wilmington beach areas, but that's about it. Very quiet. Off to the northwest of us, you have an area of some rain in parts of Indiana, Ohio, down to Kentucky and Tennessee, and the disturbance driving all that. Looks like it's going to really weaken and stay a little bit too far north to give us any significant rain chances today. So here's the deal. You see, as we go through our day, not a bad Monday forecast at all. Very quiet as we head on through tonight as well. Here's your highs across the region for our Monday, but here's the big factor. Once again, here's our dew point temperatures throughout the day. Notice those dew points in the Piedmont zones and even down into South Carolina largely staying in the 50s. And in those interior Carolina locations, another really pleasant day on the dew point comfort scales. Good stuff. Nice feeling day here for our Monday. Now, as we move forward in time, it'll get a little warmer and a little bit muggier again. This is Tuesday's outlook, and I think with the increased humidity levels, a little better chance tomorrow afternoon of seeing a few afternoon showers and thunderstorms out there, and a little bit warmer too. You see those temperatures creeping upward for your Tuesday. Wednesday looks very similar, I think a limited rain chance locally here for much of the Carolinas. And temperatures, again, pretty warm, but no extreme heat in sight. Watch what happens with the upper level pattern. We start this week and really continue through midweek with a trough in the eastern part of the country and a ridge over the Rockies. As we get into the weekend, that trough kind of flattens out and you end up with almost a zonal type of flow. But that's not an extreme heat type of pattern. We'll probably see some highs in many areas bump back up toward the low to mid 90s in North Carolina as we get toward the weekend and early next week. But it really doesn't look too bad. Certainly nothing like what we had a little bit earlier in the month. All right, tropical update time. It is quiet as can be. Gulf of Mexico, a couple flare-ups of storms with that old front, but no concern there. Caribbean Sea. Hardly even any cloud cover, and look at how much of the Atlantic Ocean is covered with basically cloud-free conditions. So no sign of any tropical development over the next couple of days. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everybody have a wonderful day. Enjoy the great weather, and God bless.